Hello guys, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to add photos in Moj App. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. Moj is an Indian video sharing social networking service owned by Bangalore-based Mahala Tech Private Limited. It features special effects, emoticons, stickers and short videos that have a duration of 15 seconds to 1 minute under genres like dance, travel, singing, acting, comedy, and education. Now let's get into the topic. The thing is, you cannot upload photo on the Moj app. You have to convert that photo into video in order to upload it on the Moj app. In order to do so, follow these steps. First of all, go to Google Play Store and search for Music Video Maker. Click on this app to download. After it is downloaded, it will ask you to open the app. Click on Open button. Click on Slideshow. Select any pictures and click on Next. Click on TikTok, which is at bottom rightmost corner of the app. Now click on Next. Click on Transition and click on Shuffle. Now add music and click on Done. Select the quality of video you want to get. Now it will convert your photo into video. After which you have to close the app. Click on Moj App. Select your video. Click on Next. Now it will be uploaded to your Moj app. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.